What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we're taking a look at this video conference light that was sent out to me by this company, Litones. So a big, huge thank you to them for sending this over for a review. Now, I will drop the link in the description where you guys can go pick this up. You can pick this up. The price is going to be $69.99. It's going to come in two colors, green and blue. So this is going to be perfect for your YouTubers, vloggers, live streamers, businessmen, remote workers, content creators who need the optimal lighting for their online meetings, video conferences, and live streaming. This is going to be compact and portable. This features advanced lighting capabilities. This has a 3,000 milliamp hour battery that's going to last you up to 24 hours. And it has a wide compatibility. So you can use this with your laptops, your desktop computers, tablets, and even your smartphones. And here are some of the other specifications right there. You're going to see is 5 watts of power. You got 56 highlight beads, CR95, color temperatures from 2500 to 6500 kelvins, and so on and so forth right there. You can pause it and read it yourself. So those are a few of the features and details. So here's the packaging. You guys see it says Square 3 video conference light. Litones right there. On this side, Litones, great light, make us one. And then on the back, some of those same specifications that I read off. So this is a sun-like, eye-friendly light. You guys can read the rest of that. Wide compatibility for multiple purpose users. Adjustable brightness and color temperatures. So you got 10 levels of brightness and 3 levels of color temperatures, 2500 to 6500 on the Kelvin. Long life, you got a 3200, I said 3000 earlier, 3200 high capacity battery, can power up to 24 hours at minimum and up to 3 hours at maximum. Portable design. And integrated design attaches and detaches with integrated hidden back bracket design unified as one. So those are a few of the features and details. Let's go ahead and get this open. So I have already cut the tape. Let's go ahead and open this up. So inside of the packaging, you're going to get your user's manual. We'll take a look at that in a second. You get your light, video conference light. We'll set that to the side. You get a carrying pouch as well, right there. And you're also going to get your charging cable. USB-A to USB-C. And I think that is it in the packaging. Yep, that is it. So put that over to the side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the user manual here. So what I like to do is get familiar with the buttons and layout here. So let's take a look at the buttons and layout. So you're going to have your battery indicator up here, LED. You're going to have your switch and light mode, which is going to be your power switch and light mode. You got your brightness. That is your plus. Brightness is your minus as well. You got Type-C charging port right there. And then your quarter thread hole right there. So that is pretty much it. The rest we're going to figure out as we go along. So here's the light. This is the blue one as well, as you guys see. Up here, your minus plus for your brightness. Your power button / mode button. And then you got your 4 LEDs right there. Type-C charging port. Your quarter thread right there. And this is a stand of some sort right here. Yeah, you just bring this out. So what this does, this will help this, if you're using this with your laptop or your tablet or whatever, then you can clamp this like that. You can also use this on your desk like this or whatever surfaces you need it on. So that works. That has multiple functions there. And you can use it like this as well. Multiple functions there. And pretty neat. Very small, compact. Has a branding right there as well. So let's go ahead and see if it has any power. Yep, it does have power, as you guys see. And it has 10 different levels of brightness. Let's go ahead and see if we can Bring it all the way down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So those are the 10 different levels of brightness. Let's go ahead and change the color temperature. So that is one color temperature. Look like a cool color. That is definitely a warm. And that is in between there. There it is. Warm, a little bit cool, and the coolest right there, as you guys see. And then you got your different levels of brightness right there. So as you guys see, it does have the 4 LED power indicator lights there, letting you know that it's full charge as well. So we're going to go ahead and set this up on a tripod, a laptop, or a tablet and try it out and see just how well it works. All right, guys, so here's the scenario here. Here's the light. So you guys know you can connect this to your monitor like that. Use it with your webcam, or you can use it like I'm using my iPhone as my webcam. You can do that now with the, I think it's called continuity right there. And here's the light. So right now it's on the coolest color. Gonna bring it down in brightness there. So I bring it up. That's all the way bright as it'll go. Let's go to the warmer color here. Just this simple. That's all the way down. That's peak brightness. Then we're going to go to another cooler setting here and back to this. So let's take a look at it through the iPhone's lens there. I'm not going to use my little webcam. I'm going to use the iPhone. It's definitely going to give you a better quality if you're vlogging or something like that. So let's swap over. So this is my iPhone, the rear facing cameras. And this is the Litone Square 3 light. So you guys see this is on the cool color. I'm going to lower the brightness down a little bit. So that's the lowest setting on the brightness right there. You guys get a chance to see how this looks. I'm going to go ahead and bring it to the max brightness. So if you're live streaming, vlogging, or recording a video, whatever you're doing, you can situate this light. You can also put it on a tripod as well. But right there, it's able to connect with the little bracket that it has. Let's go to the warmer. So this is the warmer temperature all the way up. Just lower it down. So you can set it and get just the right photo or video quality that you want. Let's go back to this color here, color temperature. And there it is. So let's go back to the cool. I think I like that a little bit. Set it about right there. And this is some bright light. It's bright and it's very nice. So very small, compact, and convenient. So let's try it in a different situation next. So another way you can use your Lit 1 Square 3 light is attach it to your camera, and that way you can light up your subject. Or if you're shooting product reviews, you can use it in that manner as well. It has the quarter 20 thread on there, so easy to find an adapter and hook it up like you see me having it here. So let's take a look at another way. Guys, so the last way that you can use your Lit 1 Square 3 conference light is to hook it up to your tablet or laptop. If you're doing your live streams or your meetings, things like that, then you can just simply attach it to your tablet like this, or get you a little tripod and use it like that. Since the light is so small, as you guys see, it looks here on my tablet here. So let's go ahead and finish the video. Guys, so this has been my look at the Square 3 video conference light. A very small, compact, easy to use, very bright and powerful little light that you can throw in your bag, take it around. You can use it in different scenarios, as you guys see, different positions. I think I showed you guys this one as well. And very nice, man. Comes with the charging cable. You're going to get a carrying pouch and as well. So look like it's going to be pretty durable as well. So I'll definitely leave the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Will H. I'm out.